Before we begin any CND service, we'll want to apply cool glue to the client's hands. When applying CND Shellac Luxe, we'll want to start with a dry pep using no solvent. Using a cuticle pusher, we'll just gently push the cuticles back and remove any non-living tissue from the nail plate. You can go a little bit further with this and use a curette. This is great for finding all of those little hidden pieces of dry skin that will definitely affect the adhesion of your CND Shellac Luxe color coat. Using a kangaroo or koala, gently file shape the free edge of the nail. Now we're ready for the first application of Shellac Luxe color coat. The color we're using today is Brazen. Brazen is one of the 15 shades exclusive to the Shellac Luxe line. When applying the first layer of CND Shellac Luxe color coat, it's exceptionally important to apply it very thin. We're not using a base coat, so that first color layer needs to be thin enough to cure and adhere to the natural nail. The color coat should be thin, translucent, and even a little streaky. And then we'll place the hand in the CND LED lamp for 1 minute, pressing button 2S. Now we'll apply the second coat of CND Shellac Luxe color. Still wanting to remember to apply it very thin. Cap the free edge. After applying the second layer of CND Shellac Luxe color coat, again place it in the CND LED lamp for 1 minute, pressing button 2S. Finally, we'll apply CND Shellac Luxe top coat to all 5 fingers. Again, we don't need to apply CND Shellac Luxe heavily. We'll apply it starting with capping the free edge. After we finish applying the CND Shellac Luxe top coat, we'll cure it in the CND LED lamp for 1 minute, pressing button 3. Make sure that while the client's hand is in the lamp curing, that their fingers are placed just under each of the lights. To finish off this manicure, we'll remove the tacky top film with 99% isopropyl alcohol. With CND Shellac Luxe, it's a little softer and more pliable, so you don't need to scrub as hard. You can remove the tacky top film with a gentle rub instead of a scrub with your lint-free wipe. Apply a drop of solar oil to each nail, massage it in. Now your client has a chip-proof manicure with super high shine for 14 days.